Hello, and welcome to my tutorial for my Lego Golem, which will be used in Lego Pokemon Episode 6. For Golem, you will need 2 black studs, 2 white side stud pieces like that, 5 1x4 gray bricks, 6 1x1 gray bricks, 2 1x2 gray plates, 2 2x2 brown bricks, 4 2x1 brown bricks, 2 2x4 brown bricks, 3 1x4 gray plates, 1 1x6 gray brick, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2x1 gray bricks, 7 2x2 gray bricks, and I think that's it. I may not have mentioned the 2x1 black plate and the 3 2x2 brown plates. Golem's a bit difficult because it's a bunch of layers and each layer is different, so I'm going to do some mini parts individually, and then so it's a less overwhelming amount of pieces. First, let's do the head. Take 2 of the brown 2x2 plates and put one halfway on top of the other so it makes a Z shape like that. Then take the 2x1 black plate and put it in the gap on top so it ends up looking like that. Then take the 2 white side stud pieces and put them on top of the black plate so it's like that. And then take the black studs and put them on the white side stud pieces like that. Then take 2 of the 2x1 brown bricks and put them right behind the eyes so it's like that. And then take the last 2x2 plate brown and put it right on top of the eyes and half of this seemingly 2x2 brown brick. So the head should end up looking like that. And we'll hold on to that for later. Something else we'll do now. Take 1 gray 2x2 brick, put one halfway on it on the left, and one halfway on it on the right so it makes this T shape. We'll put that aside, and we'll make a similar T shape with 2 1x4 gray plates that we'll put together to make 2/3 of a 1x4 gray brick. And then I'll take one of these 2x1 gray plates and put it right in the middle to make a T shape of plates. Put that aside as well. And now take the remaining brown bricks, 2x2, and put a 2x1 below each of them. Really doesn't matter where. So it ends up looking like that for both of them. Now take one of the 1x4 gray bricks and put it on the opposite side above the brown brick, on the opposite side of the 2x1, so it looks like that. And do that for both of them. And then also for both of them, if we have the underside of this, take 2 of the gray 2x1 bricks for each one and put them under so that it ends up looking like this. So we have the 2 1x4 and then the 2 grays below it. So do that for both of these so that we have 2 pieces that look like this. Now take the last 1x4 gray plate and put it, doesn't matter which side for now, put it on one of them, one of the 2x1s, doesn't matter which. Then take one of the 2x2 gray bricks and put it on the middle 2 portion of the plate. And then for that last one, we're going to take this piece and put it on so that it ends up looking like that. So now what we're going to do is take 2 more of these 2x1 bricks and put them sideways on here and there, so it makes that. And now, if we look at the underside, you can see that there's a gap here and here, and we're going to fill those gaps with these 2x1. So we'll fill that gap, and we'll fill this gap here. So now those are filled. You can see there's one last gap here, and to fill that we'll use this T-shaped brick we made earlier, and we'll put that right in the center. And after a bit of adjusting, it should be very sturdy. Once you push everything together, it should be blocked now, and it'll work good. So now, or work well. So now, take 2 of the 1x1 and put them on the edge of this dent here, the 2 edges. Then take 2 more 1x1s and put them right next to these on the edge outside of the dent, so that we have this. We've got 1x1s here and here. Then take finally 2 more 1x1s, put one and then put them on top of the original 1x1s, so that we have a stack of 2 1x1s in the middles here, and then 2 1x1s here. Then, for this empty space here, put in the head right like that. Actually, no, don't put the head in. Take the head out. Take this 2x1 gray plate, put it on the bottom here, and then put the head in. So that makes the head, that rises the head up a bit, and you'll notice the difference between the top of this 1x1 and the top of this inserted head is 1 plate, which is the downward distance of this T-shape we made earlier, so we can put that in, and it'll fit perfectly. So, assuming that's all done, move on to the arms. So, what we'll do now is we'll take the 2 arms, we'll put one here and one here. We're going to use the 2x4 brown plates as arms, or bricks. So after we have this 1x1 here, we're going to put right next to it the arm piece for both sides, so it looks like that. And then we're going to take the 1x6 and put it right in the back here. So now we have this. Now we're going to use, I'm going to use 2 of these 2x2 gray bricks. If you have a 2x4, that's better. I don't. Put those right in the center to fill this gap. So, Golem's almost done. You can see there's a bit of brown exposed here. We're going to cover that with a 1x4 on both sides. Actually, and then the 1x4 in the back. Yeah, so we got a 1x4 in the back, so we got the 1x4 here, here, and here. And then a 2x2 in the center. And actually, I think I'm missing a piece. How many ever I said we needed? I think it was like 9 or something. However many of these 2x1s, I said you needed one more, because it looks like I'm missing one that's supposed to go right here. But other than that, Golem is done.